Welcome to Chasing Garden Greens. I'm your host, Corey. Today I was at Dollar Tree and I seen these Buzzy grow kits. I got a coneflower and I got a basil grow kit. This one actually says non-GMO, and they all come with pot, seeds, grown medium, and instructions. And the directions are right there. Let's see how they work. Alright, so let's read the instructions. It says you're going to need some water, a fork, a plastic cover, alright, so I got my water right here. Let's open it up, see what we got. I'll open both of them up. Nice seed pouch. These are your seeds. And I guess what they call a medium. So you're gonna have water to that. You got your seeds. Get the basil one out. Same thing. It's called a seed disc. You got the medium. So we're gonna put it in this little tray. Put these here. I'm gonna put some water on top of it. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Tray's full. So it looks like the soil is getting bigger inside the pots, slowly but surely. And all we gotta do is wait now. So you got a container underneath for my water, and I put the 2 pots inside with the medium. Now all you gotta do is wait patiently. I'm just going over the instruction. It was saying use a fork to fluff it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my hands instead of a fork. Get that all fluffed. See, this one's solid. Get that fluffed and bring it up there. See that? Let the water drain out a little bit, fluff it up. Mix it around, fluffy. Alright. Alright, it looks good. So what I'm gonna do, we'll leave some on the side so you can sprinkle some on afterwards. So you want to put this seed disc right here, just like that. You come over here, get your little medium back, cover it up, nice like that. And then so you're gonna Take a little bit out, put it to the side. Take your little seed disc, and it's got labeled on there what it is. And you put it right there, right in the center. And get your medium. Sprinkle it right back on top. And they say water it, but don't over water. So we're just gonna let this wait till it germinates before we water it, because there's a lot of water in there. And the only thing, it is not labeled, so you're gonna have to write on it or get a label. I might write on it. Tell me which one it is in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see next. Thank you.